Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 10th. That is the topic is arithmetic progression and exercise 5.3 from NCERT. Question number 4. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? In this question, now we have to write sum of n term can be written as are denoted by Sn. So, to give a sum of 636, so in this question Sn is given 636, and now the AP is that is 9, 17, 25 ... Here A is equal to, that is first term 9, and now D is equal to 17 second term minus first term, that is 8, 17 minus 8 9, sorry, that is equal to 8. And how many terms? Our question is, that is we have to find n. Now we can use the formula Sn is equal to, since sum of n term Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put Sn is equal to 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2a, that is 9, plus n minus 1 into 17 minus 9, that is 8, which is D. So now 2 can put this side, so here it is divided, so in this side this is multiplied. So now 636 into 2 is equal to n, 9 to the 18 plus multiply by 8 into n minus 8. Now 636 into 2 is equal to n into 10, 18 minus 8, that is 10 plus 8 n. So 636 into 2 is equal to n. We have to take common 2. Now in bracket 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja 8, that is 4n. So this 2 cancel to this 2. Now 636 is equal to n into 5, that is 5n plus 4 n square. Now bring this side. This can also be written as 4 n square plus 5n is, put this side, minus 636 is equal to 0. So we have to factorize 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Multiply 4 into 636. The factor of 636 is this 636 factor is, that is 2, 3 ja 1, 8, 2, 1, 5, 9, that is 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja this one, 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 4 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 53, this one 53, that is equal to 1. Now this can also be written as 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 into 53, and our middle term is, that is 5 here. So this can be, therefore 5 is equal to 53 minus 48. Put 5 is equal to 53 minus 48 in equation, that is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0 in place of 5. Now this can be written as 4n square. This implies that 4n square plus 5, 53 minus 48 plus 53 minus 48 into n minus 636 is equal to 0. Open the bracket, 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So now here take common as n, we get 4n plus 53, and now here we have to take common 12, that is 4n and plus 12 4 ja 12 5 ja 60 and 12 3 ja 36. This can written this. Now that is common is 4n plus 53, 4n plus 53, take common 4n plus 53, and in another bracket n minus 12 is equal to 0. So therefore 4n plus 53 is equal to 0, 4n is equal to minus 53, and n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, and another, that is n minus 12 is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 plus 12, minus can taken plus this side, so n is equal to 12. Now we have to not taken negative terms, that is n cannot be taken negative terms, so that is it cannot be taken because since n is negative, so we have to take, therefore n is equal to 12 is our answer. And the question is, how many terms of this AP whose sum is 636, that is n is equal to 12. Thank you.